This is L.L.C 3D, and today we're going to show you how we manufactured 50 Robbie the Robots. The first thing that was done was we got the file from our customer. Our customer designed most of this, and what you're seeing is about a 4-inch tall figurine. So the inside, the main body is about 1 inch in diameter, so we had to reduce the thickness to make sure that it would 3D print properly. So what you're seeing here is us cutting out the inside of that model. Once we had the design done, we took it into our slicer software and we started to prepare this for 3D printing. So the first thing we did is we got one of these Robbie the Robots on the print table, and then we're going to add the support scaffolding to that, and that support scaffolding makes sure everything prints properly. Once we got that done, we're going to copy and paste as many of these robots as we can onto our print table, and that's what we're doing here. And the next step after this is the actual 3D printing process. So we're going to send this job to the 3D printer, and what you're seeing here is an actual 3D print in progress. So these Robbie the Robots, because it's an SLA process, they're printing upside down. I believe there's 3 of them on this tray here. And it takes a while for these to print. I think the overall print time was about 4 hours for 3 of these units. And this is done with a polypropylene-like material. Once it's done, we scrape them off the print tray, we clean them up with alcohol, and then we do a post-cure, which is adding heat and ultraviolet light to it to give them their final mechanical properties. Once we get them out of the post-curing, we start the 3D print cleanup, which is removing all the scaffolding that we created in the slicer software. And you're seeing here that we're actually removing the final part of this one print. So we made 50 of these. Once we got done cleaning up all 50 of them, we made sure that there was nothing broke on them, and then we started to package these, and that's what you're seeing here is the 50 units ready for shipping. These were actually picked up. The arms were a little frail. It was polypropylene material, but still we didn't want to overpack them. So if you or someone you know is looking for product development, 3D printing, reverse engineering, 3D scanning, patent help, patent drawings, look us up online at wellstronics3d.com or give us a call at 612-587-2812. Thank you.